Write an equation of the circle below. All right, well, we have a circle not centered at the origin. So whenever we have a circle not centered at the origin, we're going to think x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. My center is hk. So let's locate the center. It looks like you're going to be my center, which means my center in this case is going to be the point 1, -2. 1, -2, which means h is 1 and k is -2. So really showing my work because, this isn't that bad of a problem. We have x minus 1 squared plus y minus -2 squared equals the radius squared. Well, the radius is not that bad to find. Don't try to find the radius diagonally. Just count until you, up, down, left, or right, until you hit the outside of the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the radius is 4. So that equals 4 squared. Okay, so nothing changes in here. X minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 squared equals 16. And that, boys and girls, is the equation of a circle not centered at the origin. Great!